So this rather large package has turned up, and inside is the DYU A1F fully foldable electric bike. So today we are going to check it out. However, let's start this journey off with the unboxing, and my first bit of advice is to make sure you unbox this with a good bit of space around you. There's some tools for installation, I guess. Oh, cool tools. And let's open this package. The others are just empty. I'm going to show you this one. This one has some things in it. This is a tool to make it ready, I guess. This is charger. These and user guide maybe. The empty one goes there. And also bike itself, a little bit heavy, 20 kilograms or something. Okay, let's make it clean from protections. There are a lot of protections on it. There are a lot of things on it. Let's remove them. This one too. Okay, this is okay. We need to remove this one before open it. I guess this keeps these tires together while in transport. Let's make it like a normal bike. Yeah, I have to close this one, as I understand. Okay, and then I close this one. Now it's fixed. Same for also handlebar. I move it to this position and I locked it like this. Okay, and also like this. I hope you can see it. I push this red one into this black part. This is handlebar. Cool. I feel like high quality. Okay, this goes in this one. I have to first open this. Yeah. Let's make it like this. Maybe number one. I locked it like this. I mean, maybe I need to do some adjustments. This is for left. You can see L here. Yes, hand tight is enough for now. I don't know how it works. Okay. Oh, cool. It's moving. Moving on to this magnificent yet minute machine. Well, I have to admit that I quite like the quirky design. Its build consists of completely matte black, low step aluminum frame and comes complete with a front headlight and a rear fog light. Front and rear mud guards are also included as standard to stop you turning up at your location with an unfashionable mud sprayed face. There is also a small display for battery monitoring, reflectors, and, as I'm sure you have already noticed, a handy rear shelf for additional storage. Next up is a quick look at some of the essential specifications. So we have 16-inch wheels on an aluminum alloy frame with a 250-hole brushless motor connected to the back wheel. Hidden inside the crossbar is a 36-volt lithium battery which takes around 4 hours to charge. The bike have disc brakes, front and rear, which provide pretty good braking but sometimes makes a bit of noise. The waterproof level is IP54, so this bike may not be suitable for being left in the rain. And finally, the front handlebars are height adjustable from approximately 68 to 102 cm, with the rear seat also adjustable from approximately 59 cm to 100 cm. But the main question I'm sure you all wish to know is, how good is the ride? As a matter of fact, taking off was pretty much plain sailing, or I suppose you could say plain cycling. It's very civilized, almost elementary in its interaction with the ground. Pedaling is just like any normal bike, You pedal, you ride, you move, gliding swiftly through the air, like a small bird released from its cage. But don't let the word small put you off, because although this animal can't compete with its size, it does master both comfort and competence. I'm sure another big question on your mind is, how will your rear end cape after you use this electric contraption? Luckily, you will be pleased to hear that the leather shock absorbing seat does pack quite a bit of cushioning for those long or even short journeys. And after using the A1F for several hours, over many days, so far I have had no trouble or discomfort when sitting down afterwards. I would not recommend this for off-roading in the sand dunes or downhill biking, but for general cycling, whether to work or just for enjoying the scenery, this little carrier does remarkably well. Of course, the weight capacity of the electric bike is supposed to be 75 kilograms. So this should be something to bear in mind before purchase, as depending on the weight of the rider will determine the overall comfort and experience. You can get top speed of around 25 kilometers and travel up to approximately 40 kilometers in pedal assist mode, or approximately 30 km in throttle mode. Through my numerous cycling trips, I would average anywhere between 23-26 km to charge. However, this will all depend on many factors as well. What is the bike carrying in terms of weight? How good or bad is the terrain? But that being said, I'm more than happy with the battery performance. If you are concerned about running out of battery momentum before you reach your target, then this is where the cute little battery indicator will be your best friend. Arriving at our next stop, we came to Portability, because, just in case you didn't know, the Mini Monster is portable. With just a few quick release levers, you can fold the bike. First, lower the handlebars of the bike and fold it in half. Then, lower the seat. If you wish, you can also fold in the pedals. So finally, fold the main crossbar in half. Take it on local transport, or maybe place it in your car. The A1F is a sure winner when it comes to transferring your bike. Don't get me wrong, I wouldn't like to personally carry this over any long distance, as its weight of 21 kilograms or 47 pounds may be light for an e-bike, but it's certainly, after walking a few meters, you will definitely feel its weight. So, overall, is a DYU A1F a suitable addition for your travel needs? Well, this is my first e-bike review, and personally I think it's an excellent example of alternative transport. It's compact, durable, small but comfortable, and it does all this without destroying your wallet. But for a smart looking bike that really does bring smile to your face, with its overall ease of use and comfort, and of course portability. Although DYU sent us this bike for the purpose of this video, my thoughts and opinions expressed through this review are all my own and completely impartial. Also, if you have got any questions or comments or even thoughts about DYU A1F electric bike, then please place them in the comment section below. Thank you all for watching, see you in the next video.